If you suffer from pain, you know how hard it can be to live with. Pain management is a branch of medical care that specializes in pain control. Your specialist works closely with your entire healthcare team. Different types of pain respond to different techniques. Although some chronic pain can never be cured, pain management can help reduce it.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Deere. I'm an interventional pain specialist from Charleston, West Virginia, where I've been for the last 25 years. I'm working on the development and advancement of minimally invasive techniques to improve patient safety and efficacy.
There are a lot of facets and roles in healthcare that contribute to pain management, contribute to improving someone's quality of life. You know you're really making a difference in someone's life and the lives of their families.